Hey sunshines! I will be transitioning my home for the fall. Thank you for clicking on my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Day. I love adding fall vibes to my house. This is my favorite season. It's so cozy. The sweaters, the blankets, the candles, and the warm beverages. I just cleaned my house this morning and now it's time for my favorite part, decorating. I just want to give you guys this before clip so you guys can see what it looked like before I added my fall touches. I know I never showed you guys my house before, so I'm just giving you guys a quick mini tour as well. I started over by my bookshelf area. I added this cute box bouquet of white pumpkins and white sunflowers and 2 small pumpkin candles. I bought a lot of them actually, so you'll see them everywhere. They smell really good. Over on my coffee table, I added this cute tray and 2 small pumpkins. On my couch, I added this cute cozy throw blanket I got from Marshall's last year. It ties all my colors in together. My fireplace is a focal point since I have my TV mounted up there. My theme is pumpkins and sunflowers, so I brought both of those elements here to give my home a cohesive look. Here I just added this leaf garland, a sign, and a 3-layer pumpkin I also got from Marshall's. Majority of these items are from Marshall's, so the items you see here are either going to be from Home Goods, Burlington, Dollar General, and Bath & Body Works. A lot of my fall decor items are very affordable. Here by these shelves, I put my wallflower from Bath & Body Works. On my dining table, I added these leaf placemats, a bouquet, and the pumpkins are actually salt and pepper shakers. On the first shelf, I added my Bath & Body Works candle sweater weather, this cute sign, and 2 pumpkin candles. Above it, I added a pumpkin. I love the curly stem and its marble design. On my second shelf, I added this handsome turkey that me and Titus have not yet named. And I mirrored the bottom shelf on the other side for balance and symmetry. I got these decorative balls for this jar. My china cabinet has been bare since my parents gave it to me, so I got a few knickknacks to fill it. I just played around with it until I got the desired look. In my cabinet, I added a sunflower bouquet, the candles that were originally on my shelves. Titus picked out the car and the fox. I wanted him to feel included in the decorating process. I also got a cute lantern and these 2 pumpkins to bring my theme all together. I also added a sunflower on Titus's activity table. The decor in my office and our bedroom is very minimal. In my office, I just added a bouquet of sunflowers, a pink pumpkin, and a door sign. The flowers that was hanging on the door, I just put them on the doorknob. The only decorative item in Titus and I's bedroom are pumpkins. They were really fun to make. Hannah Ashton posted this idea on her IG last year, and I wanted to make it ever since I saw it. If you want to see how, I'll show you in the next clip. All you'll need is a pumpkin, acrylic paint, a paintbrush, a permanent marker, masking tape, and a dish towel. I started off by lining my pumpkin's face with masking tape to make sure I don't get paint in the wrong places. Next, I gave my pumpkin the best facial. No, I just painted on the green acrylic paint, and then after that, I just let it dry. Once it dried, I was able to peel off the tape. If you want, you can add a second coat of paint. I would if I ever did this again. After I peeled off the tape, I just drew on the eyes and smiled with the permanent marker and wrapped the towel to my liking. And here is my spa day pumpkin. I really enjoyed making it. Very simple and cute to add to your home. That completes my fall decor video. I just wanted to show you guys some things I did around the house. As you can see, it's time for me to go take a shower and get ready to start my day. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Remember, never compare, be inspired, let your light shine. Thank you for watching. God bless.